thermostat not responding can totally mess up your day, but fixing it is way easier than you think. First off, always check if your thermostat batteries are dead or dying, because that's the most common cause when it just won't work. Swap those out with fresh ones and see if that brings your system back to life. If that doesn't do the trick, try recalibrating your thermostat to make sure it's reading the temperature right. Sometimes it just gets off track. Next, peek behind the thermostat to check the wiring connections. Loose or damaged wires can stop it from talking to your HVAC system. Make sure the power to your heating and cooling system is on, because sometimes a simple power cut can be the culprit. Also, double-check your thermostat settings, like if it's accidentally set to off or a weird mode, it won't respond. Don't forget to clean around the thermostat too. Dust and grime can interfere with its sensors. If all else fails, a quick reset of the thermostat might kickstart things again. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a thermostat not responding is ignoring the batteries. Dead batteries can cause all kinds of issues, so always replace them first. Another common problem is skipping the wiring inspection. Loose connections can mess up communication between the thermostat and your heating system, but tightening or repairing wires usually fixes that fast. Lastly, many folks mess up by not recalibrating their thermostat when it starts acting weird. Recalibration helps it get accurate temperature readings again, which is super important for keeping your home comfy without wasting energy. BigHomeProjects.com makes it simple for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real customers, so everyone wins when you need home repairs or upgrades.